Hello guys, in this video I will show you about HTML5 canvas. What is canvas? Canvas is an HTML element used to create graphics and animations like this and like this. We can also create simple games using this canvas element like snake game and nice backgrounds for your website that will make your website unique like this. All these are created using HTML canvas element. We make these animations using HTML5 canvas element. Now without wasting time, let's get into code. Every canvas piece requires two specific files, one HTML and one JavaScript file. So go and create one HTML file and JavaScript file. I created a HTML file called canvas and open it in Sublime Text Editor. Add some template code that is going to need pretty much for any canvas piece. Now if you see, if I type HTML, Sublime will automatically generate all the basic HTML needed for me. Now in the body tag, create an h1 tag and write some matter in it. Save this and open in web browser. You can see the matter that is written between h1 elements are displayed in this web browser. So we are not dealing with h1 element, we are dealing with canvas element. Similarly, add canvas element and save it and open, refresh the web browser. It doesn't see nothing. The reason for this is canvas element has a white background by default. If you inspect the web browser, you can see the canvas element. How to see this canvas element without inspecting the web browser? We want to add some styling to this canvas element. For the canvas element, give a border 1 pixel solid black color. Now save this and refresh the web browser. Now you can see the canvas element. Now we want to link this JavaScript file to this HTML file. For this we add a script tag. Give source of your JavaScript file. Mine is canvas.js. Now save and open JavaScript file. So first thing we're gonna do is to create a variable element called canvas. After creating a variable element called canvas, we want to select our HTML element, canvas element, and put it in this variable called canvas. For this, we use document.query selector. Capital S. And the element canvas. So what happening here is we go and search entire HTML document and select this canvas element and put the canvas element in this canvas variable. Now to make this canvas element width and height as entire window, right? Canvas.width equal to window.innerWidth. This will make the width of your canvas element copy this, and for height window.inner height. Now save and refresh your web browser. You can see that canvas element is your entire window. You can see some little bit margin in this canvas element. To remove this margin, go to HTML5 and make body margin as 0. Pixel. Save and refresh the web browser. You can see margin becomes 0. And now come back to your JavaScript file and create a variable called context using letter C for the context. Get context. So what happening here is we are creating a 2D object by canvas.getContextToD, in which we are actually draw our animations like circle, square and boxes. So once we do that, we now are able to access all the methods and functions used for canvas element. The first function I am going to show is rectangle. Now to create a rectangle in this canvas element, use a function called c.rectangle. Filling this rectangle, axis, y-axis, and the width and height of this rectangle. Now give some values for x and y and width and height. Let us give all as 100. Save this, refresh, comment this, save and refresh. Now you can see a rectangle in this canvas element. Next we can create one circle. For circle we use a function called c.arc. Value, y value, radius of the circle, and starting angle, ending angle of the circle. Comment this, give some values to this c.arcmath function. Give x value as 300 and y value as 300. X value as x and y are axis starting at 300 pixel height and 300 pixel width, and radius of this circle is, give some radius for about 30. The starting angle is 0. For ending angle, use a function math.pi. Multiply it to for clockwise direction, use false. It will make the anti-clockwise direction false. Now save this and refresh. Cannot see nothing. The reason why is need to begin the path of the circle by the function begin path. Capital. We also write stroke style. This function will color of the circle. As this background is white color, give a black color. And seed or stroke. Now save and refresh. So I had made a mistake. Make it as function. Now save this and refresh. You can see a circle. Comment the rectangle. Save and refresh. Now we have to move this circle. To move it, there is a particular method. This method is first create a function called animate. In this function, create another function called request animation frame. Name it whatever you want. Call the animate function. So what is going on here is this function will call this function and again this function will call this function. So it will go on loop. Now to move this ball or circle, we want to create two variables x and y. Give a value of for about 200. For y, value of 200. To give a velocity to this ball, create another variable called dx with value for speed. For y direction, create another variable dy. Speed 4. Now in this function, inside this function, we want to add all this circle code inside this. So comment it out. Now give this x and y values as variable x and variable y. So for radius also, create another variable called radius. Give a value of about 30. Replace this value with radius variable. Now save this and refresh. You cannot see nothing. Why? You not to begin path. You have to begin path. Stroke. Now save this and refresh the file. Now you can see the circle. To make the circle inside color, use a method called c.context.fillStyle equal to -ff. This is white color. So c.fill. Refresh. This is also a white color background, body also. So give another color. Refresh. See, the ball became black. Now to move this ball in any direction, create a if loop. Now see this. What's happening here is we create a if, increasing the value of x with the velocity. For every loop, it will increasing the value. Now ball is moving in right direction. For removing all for every frame, we use another function called c.clearVector. Here's the ball for every loop. Now you can see that ball is moving left and right. For top and bottom, we create another if condition. Height, inner height, 5 minus radius, take dy velocity as minus, and increment the y value for every loop. Save, refresh. Now you can see that the ball is, when it collides, this is the code for creating a simple animation like this using HTML5 canvas. In the next video I will show you how to create this animation using a function called gravity